Okay, what we're doing here is preparing to move 1409 on its last journey down the coast. We're laying out a runway here for the forklift to come pick up the car to load it on a flatbed, which is going to a parking lot next to the Little Brown Church, where it will hopefully stay there for the remainder of its life, and restoration can continue.
We've been busy since yesterday getting all the cribbing ready at the second location and getting the ramps built for the forklift to come in and gingerly lift this 13-ton beauty off of its cribbing.
From Valimar took about 4 hours to stage, and then the trip north took about 45 minutes, and then coming on into the last into the parking lot at Salada and Francisco Boulevard took about half an hour. And now the car is successfully and safely home to its almost permanent location. It'll be renovated here in the back of the lot, inside and out, and then move forward when it is ready to be the Oceanshore Museum for the Oceanshore Railroad. And we have a great day with two teams. Mike O'Brien and his low hauler brought the car. First they had to take an enormous forklift, take it off of the cribbing and off of the cast iron beams, and move the beams up here. It's resting now on the beams just under the car, and then it was ready to begin its trip north. A Victorian custom is to spread rose petals in front of a carriage or in front of a traveling vehicle to ensure a safe and successful journey, and that's exactly what Susan Stallard and I did. We had rose petals in front of the great big truck successfully, so we know that that works. We've done that with every train move. This is our fourth move, and soon to have a fifth move.